Refractory brick manufacturing unit. A fire brick or refractory brick is a block of refractory ceramic material used in lining furnaces, kilns, fireboxes and fireplaces. A refractory brick is built primarily to withstand high temperature, but also usually has low thermal conductivity for greater energy efficiency. Raw materials. Fire clays of both plastic and non-plastic varieties, refractory grog, and other high alumina minerals like kyanite, sillimanite, and bauxite are the raw materials for making fire clay bricks and blocks. The finely ground fire clays and non-plastic materials of various particle sizes are mixed in suitable proportion to form a batch. The batch is added into the pan mill. Each roller in the pan mill crushes the raw materials into powder form. The powdered material is collected from the pan mill and ground by opening bottom door. The pan mill rollers are driven by bevel gear system arrangement fitted under the pan. Powder is then transported into the heavy-duty friction disc type press for dry pressing. The capacity is nearly 80 tons per square centimeter. By changing the dies, you can produce different end products like tiles and bricks. Powdered clay is then poured into the cavity and pressed into the required shape. The product from the dry press is well shaped with minimum breakage. Dry-pressed fire clay bricks are ready for stacking in the kiln for firing with little or no drying time. Likewise, any other refractory, predetermined time temperature cycle is followed for firing of fire clay bricks and blocks, 1350 to 1400 degrees Celsius being the optimum firing temperature.